In this tutorial, we're going to discuss the mode function. The mode function is the most occurring number. You can read here the mode function to find the most frequently occurring value in a range, similar to the median function, where I think in the median function I said it was the most occurring. It should have been the median number. Back to the format, I put an if error just because I have this F9 deal going. And sometimes you're not going to have a reoccurring number because the numbers are in a singular format, so there's no double numbers. And if that's the case, I just have this hit F9 until it shows the mode. Here, the mode is 2 in C. Why? Because here we have 1, 2, we see 2 times, and we see 6 times. Excel defaults to the first occurrence, even though there's a tie here. And I think there's probably another way to do this in order to get a higher or lower number. But when there's a tie, Excel defaults to the lower number. That's how it's set up. You can overlook this if error. Mode, if. Using the if function, if member 490, here we're using the 490, and this number is wrong. It should be 492. Equals points 492. So make sure that points 492 is correct. So go here and you see points 492. The reason it worked is because 490 exists in the name range for the median, and it was just a typo. So that's quick correction. So we can go here and hit member 492. Okay. And make sure it's correct. There is no member 492. We can go in here and member, EMBER 492, correct that, and now there's a name range member 492. How do we know? Because I screwed up again. Member, MEMBER 492. You have to hit enter for it to tick. There's a problem here. What is it? I would think that maybe, well, let's go to formulas, name manager. Let's see what's going on. Member 490. I don't know why it doesn't take member 492. We can edit this. Close. Name function 490. Edit. Okay. Why? Because this sheet's protected. We need to unprotect this sheet. Alt RPS. Hit the password. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Now we can go in and figure out what's going on here. So let's type in member underscore. This is where it just becomes really frustrating. Member underscore 492, enter. This should be correct. This should be correct. So we have to hit Alt RPS. And if you want to know what Alt RPS is, that's simply going in and saying, I want to put R. That's for review. Protect sheet is PS. And I'll show you that in a second. We're going to go in, and that should be protected. And the reason it's protected, just for practice. That's how we incorporate the mode function. And in terms of what this Alt RPS is, that is the shortcut. If you're doing a lot of repetitiveness, you can use this shortcut. So hit Alt and R is review, and PS is to protect and unprotect a sheet. If you're doing a workbook, you'd hit PW. That's it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks a lot.